Good day, I'm Carika Keulder, a professor in the Wits School of Law. I teach tax on undergraduate and postgraduate level, and I recently won the Faculty Teaching and Learning Award for how I lecture taxation on an undergraduate level and domestic tax on postgraduate level. I think it is important to realize that yes, you do need to know the basic framework and principles. That applies to all aspects of law. But then for tax, there's amendments every single year. So you also need to have the specific skill to work with these amendments. And therefore, when I teach these subjects, it's important to me to also focus on the skills. So in this, yes, of course, we do focus on the primary sources. We look at the actual provisions of the Act and the case law, but it's also to make sure that you're able to interpret it and deal with it going forward. Therefore, I use a scaffolding approach. On undergraduate level, that would mean that students need to work through the prescribed reading and listen to recordings before coming to class. Also, before coming to class, they need to do a quick quiz. This quiz would just test their understanding. So when they get to class, we can work on the application so that they're able to use these provisions and case law in real life scenarios. On postgraduate level, we do a similar scaffolding. Students are required first to work through the prescribed reading and make video reflections, and then as a group, they work together on a specific case study for that week. Then in class, we work on compiling all of these understandings and forming a clear idea of how this specific theme relates to real life. From this, I think it is clear that I follow a student-centered approach. On postgraduate level, for instance, students would need to do the video reflections. And then when they get to the group assignment, they are actually litigating on behalf of a taxpayer. So every week they are confronted with a specific case study. They need to respond to that, file their documents, and then I will respond as the South African Revenue Service. Of course, then in the in-person lecture, as I said before, we then consolidate understanding and discuss any issues that came up. This is essential because students need to understand how this works in practice. And I do believe that you learn more by doing than actually just sitting and listening to a lecturer. Of course, this takes quite a lot of time thinking and planning how exactly to execute my plan for facilitating these teaching experiences. What helps is specifically the fact that I teach in what I research, which means I think about the theory deeply and in different ways for most of my day. And then, of course, attending courses. And I must say, in this regard, the Center for Online Learning and Teaching at the faculty has been especially helpful. Thank you.